In this video, I will show you how to create a fully working PayPal account. This method helps you avoid PayPal problems and helps you start receiving money easily. Now, a lot of you have been asking me for this video. Now, I need you to pay attention to everything we're about to learn in this video today and don't miss any part of it if you want to have a PayPal that truly works, a PayPal that you can enjoy. Now, for us to start, I have made 2 previous videos that will help you successfully set up your PayPal. Okay, if you have not watched them, first of all, close this particular video. Go and watch this particular video. I talked about how to create your foreign bank account, because after creating this PayPal, you are going to link it to your foreign bank account. After watching that video, you are now going to go and watch this other video I posted on how to get your foreign phone number, because you need these 2 things to have a working PayPal in 2026. Okay, now the phone number you're going to create is what you're going to receive code while setting up this PayPal, while the foreign bank account you're going to create is what you're going to link to this PayPal, so that by the time you get paid into your PayPal, you'll be able to transfer your payment into an account where you can transfer it later on to your local bank account. So you see why these 2 videos are very important. If you haven't watched them, if you haven't seen them, close this particular one now and then go and watch those videos. When you are done watching them, then you can now come and resume watching this video, because those 2 videos are very important for you to watch and understand first before you proceed to creating a working PayPal account. Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're great and you're winning your word. This is Amugo's Concept and I'm back with another beautiful information. If today is your first time seeing me, please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and also share so other people can get this information. In this channel, we talk about YouTube growth, monetization and growth hacks. If these are something you're interested in learning, make sure you click the bell notification so you don't miss any of my content each time I drop them. Now, with all that being said, let us dive straight into the purpose of this video.
Just in case you don't know what the PayPal app looks like, I want to take you to Play Store so that you will see what the app looks like, in case you haven't already installed it, downloaded it. Okay, so just type PALPAY, then you search. Okay, so this is the app right here. Okay, so I have it already, which is why it's showing open. But in your case, if you haven't uploaded it yet, you can go ahead and download it from Play Store or Apple Store. So now, going to my browser, I went to my browser to begin the setup. Okay, you don't have to do the setup through the app. Okay, you have to do the setup through your browser, and make sure that the browser you are using is selected to default browser. So in case you have to confirm any code, it will still have to be inside that particular browser, so it doesn't take you out of the browser that is default and is not what you're working on. You understand? So you come here, you type paypal.com/UK, and please remember that you must have turned on your VPN. Do your proper in-depth analysis. Make sure your in-depth analysis is showing 100%. Okay, so you type it and then you allow it to load. It's loading now, it's coming up, so I'll just allow it to load and bring me to the next interface. So when you get to this place, well, you are going for the personal account. Okay, we're not going for the business account, you're going for the personal account, because if you're choosing this business account, you have to verify it, and I don't have a means of verifying my PayPal for now, so I went for the personal. Though this personal, when verified, can also do almost the same thing that you can do with your business account. So I choose the personal account and then I allow it to load. Okay, so but if you have a means of, maybe you want to do a large transaction with PayPal and you have a means of verifying it, you can go ahead and choose the business option. So I choose the personal and then I clicked on sign up to start my setup. So this is the interface now. I choose personal and I clicked on get started. So So you see, stay in Microsoft, because he wanted to take me to an external, that is the app on my phone, but I want to do all the setup. So the same thing you're seeing me do is what you should do here. So it brought me to this place to input my email address, the email address you have in your gray. So I went to my gray to go and confirm. Even though I know what I have in my gray, I have to go and confirm to make sure that I am putting exactly what is in my gray in my PayPal. Okay, so that when I want to link it, it will not have any issues. So I'm back now, and I went in with my email address. I click on next, so it will load and take me to the next interface. So this is the security prompt. You just need to put your finger there to confirm that you are a human, so that it will proceed. So I waited for it to load. So I hope you have your UK number ready. Then I went in with my number so that I can confirm, so that PayPal can confirm my phone number. So I clicked on it, then they sent me a code, confirm your phone number. So right now I'm going to go to my Vanity to go and get my number, but they already sent it. I just had to scroll down to take my code and come to my PayPal and input it to confirm the number. So after confirming my number, I have to create a password. I created my password, and then it's logged me in and asked me to start doing my setup. Okay, so now here in your first name, you must make sure that the first name in your gray and the last name in your gray is what you're putting here. Don't make any mistake, please. Okay, my first name Steven, then I go in with my last name, and then I went in with my date of birth. I put in my date of birth exactly the way it is in my gray app. Then I checked everything to see it's okay, and I continued. So now it is time for me to, this thing was not here before, like when I did the first one, it wasn't there. So as I was setting up this one, I saw it. Tell us about your tax residency. When you get to this place, I chose yes. Okay, I chose yes. Are you a tax resident of United Kingdom only? So I choose yes as my answer here, and I clicked on next to continue. So I clicked on next. It's taking me to the next interface where I will continue with the setup. So when you're filling your own, make sure you are on this video. Do it exactly the way I'm doing it. So now it's asking me for my address. So any postcode you're using to do your survey, you can take any postcode from there, or you can generate any postcode. You can generate a residential postcode. Okay, so I already have my postcode ready. So I put the postcode. I went in with my postcode, then it's going to suggest address to see if my postcode is correct. So if this postcode is correct, now you will see the addresses, some of the address suggestions that are in this postcode. It will suggest it to you. So this address line is optional. So I have choose the first address that is suggested to me because it is correct. Birmingham is an address in West Midland in United Kingdom. So I chose it, then I clicked on agree and create account. Okay, so when you are done with that, you agree and you create your account. Okay, so it's telling me to agree to PayPal's terms and condition and all of that. So I clicked on it, and it. So after inputting all your address, make sure you screenshot this or you write it out. Okay, but I haven't written it out, so I screenshot it. So I will write it out later. Then I agreed and I continued. So it will take me to the next interface where we will continue with the setup. It's loading. So in this next one, I still screenshotted it just to be sure, so I will have to. So I screenshotted the address, and then I saved it to write it out later. So in your own case, always do the same thing. Then I clicked on continue to continue with the setup, so we can round up with it. So it's taking me to this next interface where I will have to go and confirm. So now this is our PayPal. Now this PayPal is already set up, but I want to check the notifications there, check other settings, anything that we have not already set up. So these ones are just a notification. Then I also clicked on this other notification I'm seeing here to see what is there. I just checked and to see if there's any other setup that's remaining. Then I went back and clicked on this 3 dotted horizontal line to check. So I got here and saw that my email address has not been confirmed. Then I clicked on it to begin the setup. So PayPal is going to send me a code in my email. Then I'll go to my email. I got the code, then I came to input the code, but unfortunately PayPal said that they've sent enough code for that day. So I clicked on it again, and they asked me if I want to do the setup with my Google. I said yes. I clicked on it. So in your own case, if you're using this confirm with Google, make sure that you choose the email, because I know that some of us may have several mails in our phone, several email addresses in our phone. So make sure you're choosing the one you use to do your PayPal setup. So when PayPal will bring all the options to me, and then I will click on the one I used in setting up this PayPal. It's coming up. So I choose the correct one, CV Namugo. Then once I choose it, PayPal covered all this place for security reasons. But when you get to this place, it's nothing difficult. Okay, it's just set up. So you see, my email address is ready to go. So then but I'm still seeing this confirm email. So what I did is I just dragged down my phone to refresh it to be sure that it has really been confirmed, and it went off to tell you that my PayPal account is ready. I'm ready to receive money now. Okay, so now the next video we're going to watch. Okay, I clicked on that this thing to see what setting, why it's showing 0.1. So see all these things here: add passkey, link a bank account, set up package tracking. So all these ones, I think the only one I want to do here is maybe add passkey for security purpose, and then link my bank accounts. Okay, so the next video we're going to be doing is going to be how you can link your bank account to your PayPal account. But for this PayPal account, it is set up and ready to receive fund. If you do yours exactly the way I did this one, you will not have any issues. Okay, so this is exactly how to set up a working PayPal. Now let us get back to the video.
So that is exactly how you can create a working PayPal account in 2026. You know, a lot of people have sent me DM with different issues with their PayPal. Some of them are asking, oh, how can I link my card, my bank card? How can I link my ATM, my bank account? Well, PayPal is not fully functional in Nigeria. If somebody is telling you to go and create a Nigerian PayPal account, I don't know how that one works, but this is the one that works. This PayPal account that I'm teaching you how to create is what I've been using since last year. I've used it to receive money. I've used it to receive pounds. I've used it to like transfer the pounds, convert the pounds to naira, and withdraw the naira to my account. So it is something that works. So if you follow these steps that I have taught you, you will definitely not have any issues with your PayPal. But if you have created a PayPal before and it's not working, or you're having issues with it, you can go and delete the PayPal and create it exactly the way I am teaching you now. But then, if you still have any issues, or you have any question you want to ask, if you have any challenge setting up your PayPal, you can also drop me a comment here. In this video is where I will address any issues regarding PayPal. Please don't send me a DM. Don't send me any DM on any of my social media accounts regarding PayPal. Drop all your questions, everything you need to know regarding PayPal in this particular video, okay? And want me to do a separate video to show you how to link your bank account to your PayPal? Let me know in the comment section. The process is not difficult, but for the sake of people that probably might feel is difficult or need one help or the other, and you need me to do a video for that purpose, let me know in the comment section and we'll see what we can come up with. I hope you got value from this video. If you do, please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and also share this video so that other people can get this great news. Thank you so much for watching and stay with me to the end of this video. I will see you again in my next one.